So guys, today we will talk about washing soda. Washing soda means the soda which is used to wash our clothes. So many dirt particles, so many oily portions, whether in cloth or in some elsewhere like floor, like utensil, you can use this washing soda. Okay. The chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Now you will see 10H2O, it means is it a solution? No, it is not at all a solution. Later after I will teach you what this 10 molecule indicates. We have seen that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating of sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, 2 molecule. Last class we have read it. So you will get Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Clear? So this 2NaHCO3 is heated and converted itself into Na2CO3, H2O and CO2 by the heating of sodium bicarbonate. Clear? Now we are talking about washing soda. Baking soda and recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. This is washing soda. Washing soda is also a basic salt. Means it is also a basic salt as we were talking about baking soda. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O. This is in solid form. This is in liquid form. Now they are in crystalline form. Na2CO3 into 10H2O. It is a solid form. Okay. So see. 10 molecule of water are attached to each molecule of crystalline sodium carbonate. Means each sodium carbonate will contain 10 molecule of water and it completes its formula as a Na2CO3 into 10H2O in the crystalline form. This does not mean that it is in the form of solution. It is not meaning that it is in the form of solution, that I earlier told you. Washing soda is also a white color crystalline solid with attached water molecules. Water of crystallization is fixed number of water molecule present in one formula unit of salt. One formula unit means this is one formula unit. One formula unit of this washing soda will always contain 10 molecule of water in a crystalline form, not in a solution form. Okay. When washing soda is left in open air, if you are leaving this washing soda in open air, the 9 molecule of water will be loses by itself. 9 molecule of water will be loses by itself and it will convert in a white powder of sodium carbonate monohydrate. Now the sodium carbonate monohydrate means it will contain only one molecule of water. One means mono, one molecule of water. This property is known as efflorescence. It is very important. This property is known as efflorescence. Clear? See the reaction. Na2CO3 into 10H2O. This is solid form. Left open in air. It is converting itself Na2CO3 into H2O. This is solid form plus 9 molecule of water being lost by this formula. Okay. Now use of washing soda. First use is sodium carbonate is used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. Cleaning agent for domestic purpose means you can wash your clothes, you can clean your floor, you can clean your utensils, so many things you can clean through the sodium carbonate. Clear? See the second use, it is used in a glass, making of glass. We will read in this chapter. Soap, textile and paper industry. Whatever paper we are using in our copy, in our register, that paper industry also required. Textile industry to clean the white cloth. This is used. Okay. Soap, without sodium carbonate you cannot form soap. And the second important thing is it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of water can be removed by sodium carbonate or washing soda. Okay, right. This question we will later after. Now we will talk about plaster of Paris. Okay. Now we will talk about plaster of Paris. Chemically, plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrated. Hemi means half. Its chemical formula is CaSO4 into half H2O, or you can write, if you want to write in a full digit, so you can write CaSO4 whole twice H2O. So it is hemihydrated. Okay, hemi means half. It is formed by heating gypsum at 100 degree. When you will heat gypsum at 100 degree, you will get plaster of Paris. This is gypsum, CaSO4 into 2H2O. When you will heat at 100 degree, it will lose 1.5 molecule of water, and only half molecule of water will remain with it. CaSO4 into half H2O plus 1 by what? 1.5 mole of H2O will be released in this reaction. Okay, this is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is white powder and mixed with water. It changes once again. If you change it once again to gypsum, giving in hot solid mass, then you cannot use it again. Okay, CaSO4 half H2O. Again you are giving 1.5 mole of H2O. It will convert itself into gypsum, a hard portion, hard solid mass. Use of plaster of Paris, many uses you are knowing very well. The statues, it is used by doctor for supporting fracture bone in the right position as a plaster. When our bone is being fractured, we are getting plaster on that particular organ, that is made of this plaster of Paris. It is used for making toys and idols. It is used by making toys and idols. Used to make cast and modules. That this cast is known as plaster. Okay. Used in the making of chalk also. The chalk which your teacher is using is also made up of plaster of Paris. Now we are talking about something. When idols made of plaster of Paris are immersed in lake, we are listening in news channels that you please try to make the idols by the soil. Don't make by plaster of Paris, because when you are immersed in lake, pond or river, they are being polluted. Our water sources. In our classroom for group discussion, how these idols cause water pollution. You are knowing that how it is causing water pollution. So it is better that we should use soil idols instead of plaster of Paris. Okay.